Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a part 2 of my previous video of how to use actions and events. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll send the link of the video in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we have done this much. I want to check if it works fine, so I'm just going to run the code. Yes, it's working fine, but I don't like the way the stars and the blue fireballs are sticking together. So I'm going to go to actions. I'm going to wait for 1 second. I'm going to wait for 3 seconds. Copy paste that and even put it in the end. So now the sticking won't happen. So now we need to move the cat right, left, up, and down. So I go to events. When up arrow click, move actor 1 up by 5 pixels. So I'm going to do the same for all the 4 directions. Down, left, right, up, down, left, right. So now we have done the code of moving the cat up, down, right, and left. So now we need to write a code for when the actor 1, which is the cat, touches the star. So now we go to events. When actor 1 touches star, we need to set score +1. So before setting the score, below the when run, we need to go to variables, set I. We need to declare a variable. So we need to rename it as, I'm going to rename it as points. Create. So I'm going to set points to 0. So go to math, grab the 1 and type 0. So now when actor 1 touches the star, we need to set score as, we go to math, get a plus operator. Here we're going to write 1, and throw that away, go to variables, and from the drop down select points +1. We need to do the same thing for when we touch the blue fireball. So we need to copy paste. When after 1 touches blue fireball, set score. Now instead of +1, we are going to do it as minus. We're going to do it as minus points. So points minus points equal to 0, so we got 0 points. And then we even need to show the user that you lost the game. So we need to do, you can get show title screen from game score, and I'm going to write, sorry, you lost the game. So now let's run the code and see. See, you can see it's 1. Sorry, you lost the game. Okay, so for today I'm only doing this much. In my next video I'm going to have a part 3 of the same game. It's gonna continue, and bye for today.